I think I'm doing one of the most requested videos of all time. And you know how much I love you guys, so I had to do this video for you. I think that it's been a very long time that we've had like a heart-to-heart conversation with each other. So tell me how you guys are, and as of my life update right now is that I'm home, I'm chilling, I'm resting, and all those years of working and shooting every day continuously, this is like my break, and I'm just taking time. I'm home and I'm chilling. So as you guys already know that once I wake up I really like to meditate, and that's what I done, and now I'm super hungry, so I want you guys to come with me in the kitchen and have a very nice breakfast. Let's go. So let's start with the video. What I eat in a day. Hello. So recently I've been using the Kapiva Get Slim Juice, and I mostly take it before breakfast. The thing is that you have to shake the bottle while you're making the juice. How do I keep myself fit and how do I maintain a perfect body? The answer is Kapiva's Get Slim Juice. This Ayurvedic juice is perfect for overall weight management, and this juice has herbs that deal with every aspect required to ensure that you can stay in shape. Right from increasing metabolism, curbing appetite, reducing hunger pangs, a feeling of fullness, beating sugar cravings, this juice is an Ayurvedic solution to your ideal weight. It has all natural and Ayurvedic ingredients like flax seeds, which is a superfood containing omega-3, which helps in intake of healthy fats in your body. The second key ingredient is amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, which is a rich source of vitamin C. Also, this brand uses ripe amla, which are more nutritious than the green ones. The other key ingredient are eren mole, which helps in maintaining muscle and joints, and tea turmeric, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Now you guys might wonder, itna Ayurvedic hai, so taste must be extremely bad. Well, let me tell you this. The taste is just fine. No kadwa, no bitter taste at all. And the best part is that no sugar as well. All natural and safe ingredients to help you in weight management. You can consume 30 ml of the juice twice a day, once before breakfast on an empty stomach and once at night before dinner. So now moving on. I like to have a heavy breakfast, so today I'm gonna go with oat pancakes and 1 cup of chai. So for lunch I was thinking I'll have sabzi, 2 rotis and 1 bowl of dal, and obviously green salad. So this is me everywhere I go, like everywhere in the house. I just like to keep water bottles so that I just keep sipping water, and I drink about 3 liters in a day. So for evening snacks, I either like to have fruits or nuts depending upon what I'm craving. And for dinner, I mostly do soups and salads. And right now it's winter time, so nothing more heartwarming than a bowl of soup. Right now my favorite is sioi mui. So my current favorite one is miso soup, and then I like to have some salad with it, which has cucumber, tomatoes, feta cheese and all that. And yeah, that's what I have for dinner. And before dinner I have 30 ml of Kapiva's Get Slim Juice. So that was all. This is all about my routine, what I have in a day, and it just keeps changing from seasons to seasons, obviously. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see next on my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay fit, love you all. Mwah.